I'm installing a new radiator on my 2011 KTM. It's a 2012 model. I believe there's a split year that year. Don't quote me. I believe that's so. This is a GPI racing product. You can go to gpiautoparts.com. I believe this is a China-made radiator, so I'm taking a little bit of a risk. The only thing I want to say is it doesn't come with these rubber grommets. These are my old ones for my old radiators. This is what the old ones look like. A little beat up. You can tell. I mean, thickness of here to this, it's gonna be a lot better. It's definitely a better build all the way around. This is my other one here, which is 10 times worse. Wasn't even holding my radiator shroud anymore. Look at that thing, that's just bent to hell. So anyways, I'm trying these out. Figured I might as well do a quick little YouTube about how it's gonna work. So if it fits correctly. So that's the big thing, is those rubber grommets so far. Other than that, everything's good. And I was able to take those grommets from this old radiator and put it on here. They are a little beat up. I'd prefer to have new ones, but I'm going riding and I don't have time. So I popped them out and they were still good, so I'm going with them. Alright, I'm on the left side here, messing with this thing. And I was having a hard time fitting this one on because this lower tube was a little too long, so I had to snip off some of it so it fit on there a little bit better. And just gradually cut off, a few rings at a time. I'm cutting off 2 pieces about that thick off for it to fit pretty decent. And I mean, if you don't get all the cool colored tubes or anything, then you may have to do that as well. Otherwise, it kind of sits on there pretty good. It's applying a little more pressure than I'd like against this top hose. So yeah, we'll see. I think it's gonna be okay for now, but tightened all the bolts down, but it's looking amazing. So I'm excited. Joke's on. Alright, it looks like everything works right. It's not leaking anywhere. I had the overflow spilling out just a little bit because I filled it up too much, but it's all set, dude. Got a little overexcited when I was working on that thing and maybe dented it. Fortunately, it sucks, right? Brand new, dent it. Idiot. Anyways, yeah, I think it's good.